This test is divided into 4 sections. Section 1, listening. Section 2, reading. Section 3, oral expression. Section 4, writing. Listening, you will listen to a recording. Duration, 35 minutes. Questions count, 39. Type of questions, MCQ. Reading comprehension, duration, 60 minutes. Question count, 39. Type of questions, MCQ. Speaking. This section has 3 tasks. Task 1. Duration, 2 minutes. Preparation time, nil. The ability to exchange in French spontaneously. Present yourself. Task 2. Duration, 3 minutes. Preparation time, 2 minutes. You are required to ask questions in order to obtain information about a service, product, or an activity. Task 3. Duration, 4 minutes 30 seconds. Preparation time, nil. A debate with the jury. Writing. Number of tasks, 3. Duration, 60 minutes. Write a formal or an informal letter, 80-120 words. Write on a blog, 120-160 words. Read 2 texts and write 2 paragraphs. 1. Write a summary, 40 to 60 words. 2. Write your point of view, 80-120 words. The oral expression test lasts a maximum of 12 minutes, consists of 3 tasks of increasing difficulty. Takes place in the presence of an examiner, face-to-face, who will conduct the interview. Is first assessed by the examiner immediately after the interview. Is recorded to be corrected a second time. During this test, the examiner will welcome you, explain how the test will be carried out, give you the test-taking instructions, ask you questions. When answering the questions, we strongly recommend that you draw on your own experience. Use your memory and think of situations or events you've experienced to illustrate your answers. Use your imagination. If you don't have specific memories, imagine them. You won't be judged on the content of your answers, but on their accuracy, correctness, and relevance to the question asked. No one will check whether what you say is true or false. Avoid offensive, discriminating, racist, or sexist comments. Minimum level required, A1. For this task, you will be assessed on your ability to describe a person, place, or situation. Simply express tastes. Respond to an invitation. Recount an event. Formulate very short-term leisure or study plans. Use the present simple and/or future simple and/or past compound tenses. Use certain qualifying adjectives. Correctly conjugate certain regular verbs, 1. Group verbs, and certain widely used irregular verbs, 3. Group verbs. Use certain qualifying adjectives and adverbs. Make simple sentences and very short complex sentences. Task format: directed interview lasting a maximum of 2 minutes without preparation. Candidates demonstrate their ability to interact with an unfamiliar person, the examiner. Candidates answer questions on one or more of the following communication themes: marital status, character, spoken languages, family, friendships, training, studies, professional, university status, activities, habits, at work, university, at home, hobbies, etc. Aptitudes, tastes, interests, past events or activities, living conditions, geography, housing, sociocultural environment, facilities, weather, etc. Personal objects, projects, wishes, desires, movements, trips, itineraries, public institutions, infrastructures, associations. Test 1. Sample questions. Can you introduce yourself? Introduce a friend of your parents, someone important to you. Describe this person, someone the examiner points to. What is your favorite food? Describe a film you liked. What documents do you need to go to Quebec, to study in France, to obtain French nationality? Tell me about your favorite place to go out with friends. What's the weather like today? What's winter like in your country? You're going on a trip. What do you pack in your suitcase? Do you like to travel? Why or why not? Have you ever been to another country? How do you go about buying a plane or train ticket? What do you do on vacation? Which country would you like to visit? Why or why not? When would you like to go to France or Quebec, and why? Is the French language difficult to learn? Why or why not? How do you imagine your life in 30 years? What's your favorite holiday? Tell us about it. What do you do during the evening? What do you watch on television? What occasion have you bought a gift for recently? Tell us about it.